How I made a faceless kids storytelling channel using AI only. In this video, I'm going to show you A to Z how I created this channel so you can make one of yours too. It may cost up to $15.99 to start building this kind of channel, so I hope your credit card's next to you. After all, it's a small amount to put in if you're serious about making money with YouTube. We all saw this video, and that one explains how much revenue those channels are making, so I'll skip it and take you to the juicy part. The first thing I did is open a new YouTube channel. Then I jumped to ChatGPT and asked it for a channel name. As I mentioned in the title of this video, I'm going to focus on kids storytelling. I asked it to give me 20 YouTube channel names for kids storytelling channels. I like Toy Box Tales. Now I'll go to Midjourney to create my profile picture and type in the /imagine prompt. Oops, I need to pay subscription fees. Here's the first 10 bucks out of the 15. After I pay for the subscription, I'll type in the prompt section, Toy Box Tales, Pixar and Disney style 4K realistic. I'm impressed with the quality I got. I'll go with the blue dinosaur. I really like it. Looks happy and cute. Now I'll go and create a banner for my channel using canva.com. I'll create the simplest banner I can make. I don't really want to spend too much time on this one. I'll take the blue dinosaur and drop it at remove.bg. It'll remove the background for the picture and will let me use it for my banner. If it's not perfectly removed, then you can edit it by yourself. Just go to erase/restore and erase or restore the parts you don't need. Download the image and upload the image to Canva. Now I'll just fast forward the final results for you. And boom, there it is. Very clean and very simple. Let's place the profile pic and the banner in my new channel. Go to the Your Channel page, and from here, press Customize Channel. Here is where you first set up your channel. Go to Branding, upload the banner and the profile picture. You can add a subscription watermark that will boost your subs. You want it to be for the entire video. Press Publish, and it'll save your changes. I almost used my default name for this channel. Don't forget to change that too, if you haven't named it when you first opened the channel. For my channel description, I'll ask ChatGPT to write me a short description for my storytelling channel for kids named Toy Box Tales. I'll copy and paste it to the description section and press Publish to save. Now to the real deal, making the videos. Let's go back to ChatGPT and ask it to write me a story about toys that live together in a toy box together. The story will be for 3-year-old kids. Save it for a few moments. I went back to Midjourney and created this boy character to tell the story. Let's bring our new boy to life. Go to the site d-id.com, create an account and log in. This is the site that will shock you. Wait for it. Press create video, then add your character. Paste the story from ChatGPT, and here our next $5.99 goes. You have to pick a paid plan if you want over 20 words. So let's go with the cheapest one for now. I'll choose the best voice for my character. However, I couldn't find a child voice that'll match exactly to my boy. You can upload your own voice if you want to. If you want to give your channel a better chance to succeed, it's better to use a real human voice. You can find these on sites like Fiverr.com if you don't want to record your own voice. A real human voice gives a kind of authentication to the video. For this video, for learning purposes, I'm going to use voices from this software. Let's see it talking. Press generate video and wait for the magic to happen. Isn't that cool? Now, download it and use any editing software you want. I'll use Premiere Pro for this tutorial. I want to change the video settings I have to match the YouTube video frame size. I'll create a new sequence and approve the new setting, 1920 by 1080. I want to keep the accessing settings I create. After I place my video on the side, I need to fill up the empty area. I choose to put my captions on the black side, and it'll look like this. In Premiere, go to Text, then press Caption in the middle, and then Create Transcription. It will automatically create the subtitles for our story. Click Create Caption, the little CC on the left corner, and open the Preference tab to see if it matches your requirements. Then press Enter. Now our captions are ready to work with. Let's design it a little bit. I'll mark all the captions and make some changes to them. As you can see, it requires some effort to place everything as I want. I am not a professional editor. I'm sure some of you know how to do it much faster than me. After I'm done editing, which took around 10 minutes, I'll export the video. And my video's ready to upload. I'm uploading it to YouTube and go to ChatGPT to give a title for this story. The prompt I put in is, give me a name to this story, which will attract people to click it on YouTube. I got The Adventures of Living Toys, a brave battle against a scary monster. Let's try to ask for 5 more titles for this. I like this one, The Great Toy Box Escape, a thrilling tale of courage and friendship. I'll copy and paste it to the upload box on YouTube. Now I'll ask ChatGPT for a description. The description I felt was too long, so let's ask it to shorten it. Great, I got it. I'll paste it to the description box. I can create a thumbnail at Canva, but for now, I'll just choose one of the thumbnails YouTube gave me from the video. Don't forget to mark that it's made for kids. You can add a few tags that YouTube will know what your video is about. I'll just copy and paste the title. I'll just press next 3 times, mark public, and voila, my video's online. If this video gets 1,000 likes, I'm gonna post a follow-up video, and I'll share the analytics with you. Make sure to subscribe for updates.